on playing games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this pink glitter cut crease. So if you want to know how I got this, then please keep watching. Okay, so I already did my foundation, concealer, bronzer, and then I set it all with translucent powder. I used the Airspun powder instead of the Laura Mercier, and then I also used the LA Girl Pro Conceal instead of the NARS to cream contour. And after that, I'm going to be doing my eyes. And for eyes, I'm going to be doing a pink eyeshadow look. So I already did my concealer and then I set my eyelids with the same powder. Okay, so moving on to eyes, I'm going to be taking this light pink shade right here and I'm going to be applying that first. I'm doing the light one because I want like a overall transition color, so I'm using this light pink for that. And then I'm taking a Morphe 504 brush and I'm just going to be putting that in my crease. And I don't want a lot because I'm going to be building up the crease color. So this is kind of just for like an overall crease color, just something to build off of. Okay, so after you have that on, I'm going to be taking a Sephora blending brush and I'm going to be taking this, it's like this Barbie pink shade right here. And I'm going to be taking some of that on my brush. And I'm going to try and lay the colors down first and then go back and blend them out, just so I don't blend too high up or anything. So I'm just going to be patting the color in first. Okay, so once you have that shade built up, I'm just going to be doing small circular motions just to blend that out. Okay, so once you have that, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 433 brush and I'm going to be taking the shade under that pink shade. It's more of like a hot pink. This one right here, and I'm going to be focusing that. I'm going to try and focus that just on my crease because I want this to be like the crease color. So I'm just going to be pressing that right in like the socket of your crease. And again, it's okay if you get under your crease because I'm going to be cleaning that up with concealer. Okay, so once you have that built up how you want, then I'm going to be going in and blending that out. Okay, so once you have that, I'll blend it out. I'm going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to be taking the shade Love Letter. And I'm going to take a little because it's really pigmented. And I'm just going to be placing that on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to be taking that same Morphe 433 brush and blending that out. Okay, so then after that, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to be taking a Morphe 421 brush, and I'm going to be cutting my crease.
She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it.
Okay, so once you have that on, I'm going to be taking the shade Miracle from the Kylie Jenner Nice palette. And I'm just going to be taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be packing that color on my lid. I don't really want too much color since I'm going to be doing glitter. Okay, so once you have that done, I'm going to be taking my Morphe 433 brush again, and I'm going to be taking the shade Love Letter and just going back into the outer corner and just blending those together.
Always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, girl, I know. She told me don't worry.
Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to be taking my Heavy Metal glitter from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be taking this glitter and I'm going to be putting it in the crease and just lining where I cut my crease.
But I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it, but I love it.
Okay, so once your glitter is on, I'm going to be letting that dry, and I'm going to apply false lashes and mascara off camera. Okay, so once the eyes are done, I'm going to be taking my NYX Nude Liner.
I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you.
Okay, so once you have the waterline lined, I'm going to be brushing away all my translucent powder. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be bronzing my face with the NARS Laguna bronzer. Okay, so then after that, I'm going to be taking my NARS Amour blush. I want this look to have a lot of blush since it's kind of like a Barbie inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm going to put a lot of blush on my cheeks and then on my nose as well. And then a little on my forehead. Okay, so once you're done with that, I'm going to be taking my highlight, and I'm going to be taking the BECCA Opal highlight and just applying that. Okay, so once you have that done, I'm going to be taking this Carli Bybel highlight shade and putting that in my inner corner. Okay, so once you have that done, I'm going to be lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. Okay, so once you have them lined, I'm going to be going over it with the Hourglass Nude 1 lipstick. Okay, so after you've done that, I'm going to be trying out this new little sample lip gloss I got. It's from Pop Sugar in the shade Be The Boss, and I'm just going to be putting that over the lipstick. after that, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. Okay, so this is it for today's look. If you enjoyed this look, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos next week.